Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. This quote comes to life in the Shining Star International School, Abu Dhabi. And I, Fatima Majid, studying in grade 10, am a proud student of the Shining Star International School. Our school has been named as the #1 school by Which School Advisor and is at the 29th position all across UAE. We are very happy to be a part of the Tamil New Year celebrations.
பிறந்து சிறந்த மொழிகளுக்கு நடுவில் சிறந்தே பிறந்த எனது தாய்மொழியாம் தமிழ்மொழியை வணங்கி அவையோர் அனைவருக்கும் எமது ஷைனிங் ஸ்டார் இன்டர்நேஷனல் பள்ளியின் சார்பாக என் கனிவான மாலை வணக்கத்தை சமர்ப்பிக்கிறேன். எனது பெயர் இலக்கியா. நான் ஷைனிங் ஸ்டார் இன்டர்நேஷனல் பள்ளியில் தமிழ் ஆசிரியராக பணிபுரிகிறேன்.
As it's traditional, we are starting our program with a dance performance.
எண்ணமும் எழுத்தும் நேராக எவரது மனமும் கோணாது வண்ணமாய் வா புத்தாண்டே, முன்னமும் பின்னமும் முரணாகாது முதற்கண்ணி எவரது இல்லத்திலும் தங்காது வாழ்க்கையில் மகிழ்ச்சி தங்கிடவே வா புத்தாண்டே, பாரத மாதாவை புறம் தள்ளாது புதுமை பெண்கள் பிறந்திடவே பிரிவினை தவிர்த்து ஒன்றிணைக்க பரிவுடன் வா புத்தாண்டே, புத்தாண்டே வருக புத்துணர்வை தருக, அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். அடுத்தபடியாக நாம் பார்க்க இருப்பது பரதநாட்டியம் நடனம். செல்வி இசா சித்திக் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவு ஷைனிங் ஸ்டார் இன்டர்நேஷனல் பள்ளி.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you for the beautiful performance.
நன்றி செல்விசா சித்திக்.
We would now like to invite our Vice Principal Anita Ma'am, who is a multilingual person. She is an MIE expert and Teach SDGs ambassador. We have an excellent Tamil department in the school, and Ma'am will be talking about it.
உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இனிய தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் அனிதா சிங், ஷைனிங் ஸ்டார் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் பள்ளியில் துணை அதிபர். எனக்கு தமிழ் ரொம்ப நல்லா தெரியாது, கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். எங்கள் பள்ளியில் இந்த வருஷம் 2வது மொழி தமிழ் அறிமுகப்படுத்தியுள்ளோம். தங்கள் குழுவுடன் இணைவதே மகிழ்ச்சியால் அடைகிறோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம். We are very happy to collaborate with the Tamil community of Abu Dhabi, and we welcome you wholeheartedly to come and experience the cultural diversity that we offer to our children as a second language. We offer Malayalam, Tamil, Urdu, French, and Hindi, to name a few. We look forward to future collaboration with you. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
அடுத்தபடியாக எமது பள்ளியின் துணைத் தலைவர் திருமதி அனிதா சிங் அவர்கள் எமது பள்ளியின் தமிழ் மொழி பாடம் பற்றிய விரிவுரையை வழங்குவதற்காக வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன்.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite our beloved principal, ma'am, Mrs. Abhilasha Singh, who is an MIE expert and Teach SDGs ambassador. She has also led the UAE as a country ambassador during the Climate Action Project and is currently a T4 country ambassador for the UAE. She brings a lot of international dimension to the school, as a result of which internationalism is in every aspect of the school.
நன்றி திருமதி அனிதா சிங் மேம். அடுத்தபடியாக எமது பள்ளியின் முதல்வர் திருமதி அபிலாஷா சிங் அவர்கள் தமிழ் சமூகத்துடன் உரையாடுவதற்காக வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன்.
A very warm welcome to the Shining Star International School family. I am Abhilasha Singh and I am the principal of the school. It is my honor and my privilege to be talking to you. I would like to start and remind you of this quote, if you've heard it before. This quote has stayed with me since my teaching life, and I understand the value of this quote so much because I am from a boarding school, and being a sports person myself, I understand this very deeply. So the quote goes, "The Battle of Waterloo was won on the playing fields of Eton." And parents, this quote has a lot of depth and a meaning to understand, because it simply means that the school is not just about classroom teaching and learning. The school, the real learning happens outside the four walls of the classroom. And having experienced this as a student myself, and then as a teacher who has traveled and trained the students in the first place and then traveled with them for various inter-school, national, international programs, I have in front of my eyes seen my students bloom into beautiful flowers. So I understand that why schools need a very strong and enriched curriculum which just not focuses on the core of the academics, but also helps and creates opportunities in the school for students to explore their own potential, identify and then build and work on their confidence and skills. And this is exactly why I as a principal am very proud of my school and take pride in the systems of our and the school program that we offer. We are driven by sustainability, innovation, and academics. So the school program is built on very strong pillars of academic achievement, and that is academic achievement and growth for our students, innovation, student well-being, global citizenship, social responsibility, which comprises of digital citizenship and global citizenship. Then is the very fact of character building and student well-being. So based on these strong pillars, we bring a very enriching learning environment for our students, or rather I would say that we surround our children in school with a very enthralling and rich learning environment and experiences. So our students, our young learners have participated in variety of international platforms and programs, recently being the Goals Project, where out of 34 schools that participated, 3 were selected from Shining Star, and these were, I mean, nowhere else were there 3 groups being selected from the same school. And we had from KG to grade 1 and 2 and grade 11 presenting their work on that UN platform. And it was enthralling to hear the KG speak about their goal number 15, that is life on land, and grade 1 and 2 speaking about 6, clean water and sanitation, and grade 11 presented on goals 10, reduced inequalities. And tomorrow, as I speak, on 12th, we are edu partners with Rise for SDGs, and one of our, Mrs. Anju Mehta in fact is presenting tomorrow on gender equality goal number 5. So you know, this is just one thing that I have spoken right now. There are a number of events all over the year that our students participate in, and that is the internationalism I'm talking about in the curriculum. We are a global showcase school, which again is a feather in the cap, because in the UAE only 3 schools were selected out of 100 around the world, and only 1 in Abu Dhabi, that is Shining Star International School. We are now T4 ambassador, country ambassador, 4 from our school, MIE experts. The entire school is a Microsoft Innovative Educator certified, all the teachers. And this year we are going to apply for Microsoft Showcase School, and at the same time also being a Wakelet school and a Common Sense Curriculum school. So you know, this is the Vision 20 or the Mission 2030 that Susan spoke about when she introduced me. So it is this Mission 2030 which is the journey to excellence. So it is not just an year start to year end program where we just focus on, like, you know, children passing from one year to the other. No. The vision is to ensure that our little learners which enter the school, which come to us in KG, when they pass out of the school in grade 12, we release our fledglings as very strong individuals into the community, into society, which are skilled individuals capable of living an independent life and are valued members of the community and global citizens. That responsibility. So parents, lot to say, lot to discuss, but keeping it short and sweet at the moment so that you are intrigued and at the same time you are confident to take this step forward and join a family of Shining Star International School. So I welcome you all to take this journey of excellence, walk with us towards Mission 2030, so that we see our students, our little ones, our children growing up into competent individuals who are not just skilled to feed themselves or to look after themselves, but are valued and responsible members of the country, of the world, global citizens in true self. So welcome to Shining Star International School, and I am confident that you're making the right choice, and I welcome you once again to be part of our community. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. At SSIS, we believe that physical development is as important as our students' mental development. So now I'd like to call Vijesh sir.
நன்றி திருமதி அபிலாஷா சிங் மேம். அடுத்தபடியாக எமது பள்ளியின் இணை கல்வித்துறை தலைவர் திரு விஜேஷ் அவர்கள் எமது பள்ளியின் உடற்பயிற்சி பாடம் மற்றும் அவற்றின் முக்கியத்துவம் பற்றிய விரிவுரையை வழங்குவதற்காக வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன்.
There's beauty everywhere, up and down and round and round. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere, up and down and round and round. She got one that I like, she got one I like too. She moving it just right, she moving it right too. I'm looking around and there's beauty everywhere, up and down and round and round. She got one that I like.
That really energized us. Thank you very much, Vijesh sir and Arya ma'am. With this, we come to an end of the program. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Thank you.
நன்றி திரு விஜேஷ் அவர்களுக்கு. இந்த எங்களுடைய பள்ளியின் இந்த சிறந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை காண்பதற்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. இந்த சிறப்பான தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு கொண்டாட்ட நிகழ்ச்சியில் எங்களது ஷைனிங் ஸ்டார் இன்டர்நேஷனல் பள்ளிக்கு வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்தமைக்கு எமது பள்ளியின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.